Record button is push, guys. Welcome. I have it already set up right there. We got the right screen here. We got Chris W, Clint, Jose R, Chris W, Devin, Chris W, Clint, Devin, Jose R, Chris W. Begin random giveaway. Here we go. 4 times. Yes, I gotta pay. There's 1. I do everything 4 times. No dice roll, so deal with it. 2. 3. I want 1 more round to go. Boom, here we go. Clint. Clint gets all the remaining teams. Congratulations. Y'all can see it on there. That's all good. It's Clint, 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 Clint. Let me update my sheet. Clint, 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 Clint. Hold on. All right, y'all saw it. We're good to go. Clint got the remaining teams. Congratulations, Clint. Fall show. You get the remaining 6 teams that were left. Clippers, Rockers. Just update my sheet here. I'll show the sheet so everybody knows what they have. We're gonna rip. A lot of scribbles on here because it's taking a little longer, but we'll be good. All right, here we go. Team list. I'll get it to you right quick. Move some stuff around. Here we go. Team list. Jose R. Chris. See my mistake in the middle. Jose R. has those middle teams. Clint got the rest of them. And that is good. There we go. Box 1. Good luck, all. All cards will ship. All cards will ship. Box 1. There we go, guys. Good luck. Purple, Blake Griffin for the Clippers. That is Jose R. Number 275. Forgot to get my plastics out, guys. Sorry. Griffin, the new Piston to 75. Yep. Nene Pulsar. Horford Fundamental. De'Aaron Fox, rookie. Got a red Damon Dotson for the Knicks. Number to 125. Knicks was part of the Mad Raz. Congrats, Clint. Damon Dotson. Kuzma rookie. There you go. Bama Adebayo Prism. Kuzma rookie, nice. Fundamentals, Kyle Lowry. Got a blue, Dennis Smith Jr. Nice. Nice rookie there. Blue, number to 175. Dennis Smith Jr. Nice. I'd like to see my Louisville boy, Donovan Mitchell, pop up. Derek White Spurs. Pulsar Mano Ginobili. What a Louisville boy. Louisville right there. Paul Gasol. Still chasing the auto. Pulse. Jonas Valaniskas. Him. Pulse Robin Lopez. Blue. Jason Smith for the Wizards, number to 175. 97, 175. Pulsar Tyreek Evans. There's our autograph. Wesley Matthews, Marcin Gortat. And the autograph is Jason Kidd, coach of the Bucks. The Bucks was Clint off of the Razor. Jason Kidd's our autograph, box 1. Russell Johnson, we got Pulsar, Blake Griffin, LeBron on the back. Pulsar, Dwayne Bacon rookie, Jaylen Brown rookie. 2 packs to go, box 1. Devin Booker, Fundamentals. Last pack, box 1. TJ Leaf rookie, we got Pulsar, Tony Parker. Box 2. Empty box. What's up, kid? Get your sweet package I sent you? Pulsar, Buddy Hield, Oklahoma product. If you're into some football tonight, I got some Select, Prism, and Impeccable. And I believe all 3 of them have the Colts still in them. If you want to jump in, young man. Fundamentals, Zoe. Blue, De'Aaron Fox. Nice hit for the Kings, the 175. 175. 118 to 175 for the Kings. That is Devin. Nice hit. I believe all 3 football breaks I got left have the Colts in it. There we go. Donovan Mitchell. Prism Pulse. for the Jazz. That's Nick C. Yeah, I want to make sure you got them. I told you I'd take care of you, young man. Appreciate you following me. Blue Nene. 175. Said I got Colts, I think, opening all my football breaks left tonight. Red. Number to 75, right? No, 125, I'm sorry. Ike and Anigbogu, Pacers. Ike Anigbogu, Pacers. That is Jose. Isaiah Thomas, Pulse. KAT, the Cat, Pulsar. Uh-oh. We got Miles Turner, gold or orange. Either way, number to 20. Miles Turner, Jose, for the Pacers. Nice hit. Miles Turner to 20. Tyser Chandler, Pulse. Oh, this pack don't want to open. Must be something good in it. Oh, that's the autograph. Sterling Brown for the Bucks. The Bucks, both autographs. Sterling Brown, Prism, Pulse. Bucks, Clint. Bucks have both autos so far. Sterling Brown. Lots more to come. Lucas Nogueira, Raptors, Pulse. Pulse, Seth Curry. Not to be confused with Steph Curry. I should have jumped in this because, let me see, no, I think they're Stockton fundamentals. I think they were both gone. The Trailblazers were gone and Warriors were both gone. I just had 6 teams left that I had to razz off. Dean Waiters. All right, let me clean up this pile here. Like I said, I know you're a Colts fan. I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, like I said, I know you're a Colts fan. I know I got Colts left in Impeccable. Only about 6, 7 teams left in there. And I have to check the other ones. What? going on, Pauline? Well, yeah, that's true. You're supposed to keep both hands on a wheel. Malik Monk rookie. Steven Adams Prism. Marcus Peters got traded today. They trying to open up some money for something? Harry Giles. Rookie. Don't get yourself in trouble, Pauline. There we go. Blue. Blue to 175. Semi Joyley. I'm not going to nail all the names, I'll tell you that. It's only illegal if you get caught, brother. Lonzo Prism. For the Lakes. That's Paul. Congrats. Wayne Bacon. We got the big K from New York. Broken. See what? What do you want to see again? Purple to 75. Paul Millsap for the Nuggets. See that blue again. What blue? De'Aaron Fox. Jason. Oh, Dennis Smith right there. Dennis Smith blue. That is a nice card. Like to see that blue with some ink on it. Pulsar Cat. Guys interested in football? I got lots of football to break tonight. Hopefully, if we get to it. Sullivan Jr. for the Grizz. Yep. Got a new Facebook page that I started. I finally caved in. I've been anti-Facebook, but to grow, I think I had to go there. And it's filling up pretty good, actually. No, I've only been up for about 3 days. Buddy Hield to 175. 125, sorry. 125. I'll be honest, no disrespect to anybody else, but I'd love to see a Mitchell autograph because I'm a Louisville boy. I'd like to see that kid. He's doing well. But you never know. Did pull a Lonzo Gold out of the last 5, number to 10. Purple, Raymond Felton to 75. 70 of 75. That is for the OKC Thunder, Clint. Purple. Or pink. Oh, pinker to 50. Okay, we're still chasing the auto in box 2. Still chasing auto in box 2. If I remember right, there we go. Zach Collins, Pulse. Blazers, Markelle Fultz. If I remember right, we got 6 autos out of the last 5 boxes. Blazers, at D. Congrats. Zach Collins from Zaga. Gonzaga. Alright, doesn't mean this box is dead. We got low numbered something to hit. Pulse, Oladipo. Lonzo Ball, rookie. Lance Thomas, Pulse. Sheldon Jr. rookie. Rick Barry fundamental. Just pulled a Rick Barry autograph out of Gold Rush. If you guys aren't hit, get in it. I'm going to get a couple more cases of it. It is absolutely sick product. Michael Carter Williams for the Hornets. Pulse. So you just pulled a Rick Barry. 9, 5, 10. Absolutely sweet card. I did not know, and me being a Hurricane fan should have known. Didn't know he was from Louisville. I'm sorry, from Miami. All right, box 4. Jump on my Facebook page. There's lots of football to break. Just sitting here waiting to get broke. Some of them are within 6, 7 teams close out. We can break them. There we go, into box 4. Packs don't always work with you. Oh, first pack auto. Frank Jackson, nice, for the Pelicans. Frankie Jackson. That's a nice one. New Orleans Pelicans. That is Katie. Congrats. Nice auto there. Frank Jackson. Kind of kills the drama for the rest of this box. Let's get some low numbers though. Ersan him. Brian Ingram, Kenny Atkins, Pulse Coach. Dwayne Wade, we got Ewing Fundamentals. Pulse, Thon Maker for the Bucks. Jason Tatum rookie, nice. John Wall Prism. Prism Damian Lillard. Purple Mike Budenholzer. Head coach, number 75. Number to 75 for the ATL Hawks. Jose. Sure, that's what you wanted. A head coach. J.R. Smith. All right, halfway through 4. There's Donovan Mitchell on the backside. Bradley Beal, there's a Mitchell rookie. Nice. The Don from the Bill. Blue. Steven Adams, Thunder to 125. 175. Get some more color out of these boys. Cat, second one of those for the Wolves. Greg Monroe, Pulse. Winding down box 4. Oh, there we go. We got some orange. Hassan Whiteside. The Orlando Heat. Miami Heat. Hassan Whiteside. Number to 20. I sit for the Heat. Miami Heat is Eddie. Pulse, Zach Collins rookie. Another Louisville boy, Gordy Jang. Austin Rivers, fundamentals, Klay Thompson. 2-pack left, mark 4. We got blue. There we go, Markelle Fultz. Nice blue to 175. Markelle Fultz. 76ers, that is Adam. Last pack, box 4. OG Anunoby for the Raptors. All right, guys, one box left. One lonely box left. Let's see what we can pull. Like I said, I got tons of football. I got Prism, Impeccable, and Select sitting here. Just each of them down under 10 teams left. They're all on the Facebook page. If you guys are interested, let's kill them. Let's keep breaking, keep breaking. All right, box 5. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Evan Turner, a Buckeye. Fundamentals. That is the big fundamental. Tim Duncan. We got purple, Jason Kidd. Jason Kidd's killing this break. Purple to what, 75? Yeah. Talon. Jason Kidd is killing this break. Sorry if the camera was off a little bit. I just noticed that. I might have knocked it a couple times. TJ Leaf from UCLA. Pulse, Ricky Rubio. Chris Paul. Ooh. Oh, nice. Red Prism. Number to 125. Kyle Kuzma. Sweet. Sweet. There's only 125 of that card made. So they say. CJ McCollum. Here, guys, I'm just looking up something real quick. Just reading a message I just got. All right, we're good. Kemba Walker, fundamentals. So chasing the last auto in box 5. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Pulsar, Kyle Korver, Mr. 3. There's a Lonzo rookie. Another Lonzo rookie. Oh, some of these packs just don't want to go. Blue, Bradley Beal to 175. Bradley Beal blue. Pulsar, Damian Lillard. Sorry, camera. What is today? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I'll get them all hooked up. Hopefully Monday. Yeah, that might be a good move, young buck. Because I gotta imagine that it's his job to win next year. Fundamentals Durant. Anyway, shipping. These will probably be out Monday. I coach youth basketball 7th, 8th grade, but we do not have a tournament this weekend, so I should be able to knock these out this weekend. Next weekend I have a tournament, so. Harry Giles. Okay, so we're still chasing an auto on box 5. Good luck. Good luck. And then I want to open. Yeah, Swanigan was a bad boy at Purdue. Purdue got another nice team this year. Oh, here's our auto. Hold on real quick. Set that down. Our auto is got the Hornets. Dwayne Bacon. I know I listed him as a Bobcats, but Justin, you got him. Dwayne Bacon. I said I got football. Jump on the Facebook page. Like to rip those next. Impeccable. It's a high-end product. And then I got select a whole case break and then 3 prism breaks. Red, TJ Warren. Number to 125. TJ Warren. Last pack. Basketball break for the night. Prism Dark Favors. I will do a quick recap. And then save this video. It'll be on my Ustream. I will upload it to YouTube. Hopefully it passes, which it so far in the last couple weeks I've had good luck. Had some failures early on. Number to 175 blue, Bradley Beal, Markelle Fultz, Steven Adams, Jason Smith, De'Aaron Fox, Semi Him, Nene, and Dennis Smith Jr. blue. Red, number to 125. We got Damian Dotson, Ike Anabago, Buddy Hield, Kyle Kuzma, TJ Warren. Purple to 75, Jason Kidd, Mike Bullenholzer, Raymond Fulton, Paul Millsap, and Blake Griffin. To 20, Miles Turner and Hassan Whiteside. And our 5 autos are all prisms, nothing colored. Dwayne Bacon, Frank Jackson, Zach Collins, Sterling Brown, Jason Kidd. That's it for the basketball break. Got them 3 football breaks going. Let's jump on them and fill them up. Thanks, y'all.